Hello kids. Today we are going to learn cities of India. Cities of India means big cities, major metro cities of India. You know, big cities, major metro cities of India. Tell me some names. दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता, हैदराबाद, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई. These all cities are called major metro cities of India. Today we are going to revise. Already we learned it in the previous class. Now we are going to revise the cities of India. All of you know India is our country. Okay. In India, where is Delhi situated? You know, yes, it is here. Just like a heart of human body, no? It is situated middle only, just like a heart. How is heart situated in the human body? That type Delhi is situated middle only. Delhi is situated here in the north part of our country, on the bank of river Yamuna. It shares its border with a state of Rajasthan in the west and Haryana in the north and Uttar Pradesh in the east. Delhi shares its border with Rajasthan in the west side, Haryana in the north side and Uttar Pradesh in the east side. Understood, my kids, where Delhi is situated? That type. Where is? Which one city? Mumbai. Tell me, where is Mumbai situated, located? Mumbai city is located along the Arabian Sea, western coast of India. Mumbai is situated on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is the capital state of Maharashtra, and Delhi is the capital of India. Mumbai is the capital of which one state? Capital of the state of Maharashtra. Important state officials such as the chief minister, governor, and others have their official residence in Mumbai. Maharashtra's chief minister, governor, others have their official residence in Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai is one of the most well-known cities of the world and is regarded as India's commercial city. It is situated on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. Next city one is which one city? Kolkata. Kolkata is located on the eastern bank of river Hooghly, being the capital of the state of West Bengal. And Kolkata has official residence of the chief minister, governor and other state officials. Kolkata, formerly called Calcutta. Kolkata, formerly called Calcutta, get its name from the term Kalikata, which means field or place of goddess Kali. How Kolkata. Get its name, kids? Kolkata get its name from the term Kalikata, which means field or a place of goddess Kali, which is the place goddess of Kali. Kolkata get its name from the term Kalikata. Kalikata means field or a place of goddess Kali. Now it is called as Kolkata. Kolkata is situated on the eastern banks of the river Hooghly, being a capital state of the West Bengal. Kolkata has an official residence of the Chief Minister, governors and other state officials. Okay, now next one city is Chennai. Look here. Chennai is formerly called Madras, is popularly known as the gateway of South India. Chennai is formerly called Madras. Now it is called as a Chennai, formerly called Madras, is popularly known as gateway of South India. It is located on the eastern coast of southern part of country. Where it is located? Chennai is located on the eastern coast of the southern part of India, south part of the India, like Mumbai. Chennai is to a coastal city, like Mumbai. Mumbai is situated here, no? Like Mumbai, Chennai is located on the southeast coast of India. The city enjoy a hot and humid climate here. Okay, now see. Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu and is also one of the 4 biggest metros of India. Now next city is Bengaluru. India's biggest city, metro city, biggest cities of India, Bengaluru. All of you know Bengaluru. It is our capital city, means we are living in Karnataka, means Bengaluru is located in Karnataka. Earlier known as Bangalore. Bengaluru, earlier known as Bangalore, is the capital state of the Karnataka. It is one of the largest city in the South India. Bengaluru is the one of the largest city in the South India. Many IT companies have their headquarters in this city. Bengaluru is known for its beautiful and artistically designed gardens, lush green parks, and is also called Green City. Okay, now next one city is Hyderabad. Look here kids, Hyderabad. Hyderabad is located on the Deccan Plateau along the banks of river Musi. It enjoys a pleasant climate. Where is Hyderabad located? Hyderabad is located on the Deccan Plateau along the banks of river Musi. It enjoys the pleasant climate. Okay. Now we revised about what? Location of the cities of India. Location of the cities of India. Understood now? Which one cities we learned? Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, next one say. Say no, next one. Delhi, Mumbai. Remember kids, try to remember. Which one cities we are revised? Location of the cities. Delhi, Mumbai. Say Kolkata. Next one. Chennai. Next city. Karnataka. And last one. Hyderabad. Means now we saw the location of 6 cities. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Yes or no? Where are they located? Okay. See, now we are going to revise the famous personalities of Delhi. Look in this one, page number 169. Who are the famous personality of Delhi? Kiran Bedi, Shah Rukh Khan, Virendra Sehwag, Chetan Bhagat, Captain Anuj Nayyar, Khushwant Singh, Sanjeev Kapoor, Ajay Devgan, Sushil Kumar, Safdar Hasmi. These all are famous personality from where? From where? Delhi. This type. Mumbai also has famous personalities. Kolkata also has some famous personalities. And Bengaluru also has the famous personalities. Look here. Some famous personalities from Mumbai. Ratan Tata, Medha Patkar, Hrithik Roshan, Homi Bhabha, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar, Kumar Mangalam Birla, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Mukesh Ambani, M.F. Hussain. These all are famous personality from where? From Mumbai. This type, kids, you make a list. Famous personality from Mumbai. Write their heading and write these names. Column. Famous personality from Bengaluru. Write the heading and write these all. Famous personality from Kolkata. Write the name of the all famous personalities. These one names. First make the columns. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. And continue their famous personalities one by one. Write down. Look here. Some famous personalities from Kolkata. Mother Teresa, Subhash Chandra Bose, Swami Vivekananda, Amartya Sen, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, Satyajit Ray, Rabindranath Tagore, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Victor Banerjee. These all are famous personality from Kolkata. Make a list. Write down in your notebook. Now next one, famous personality from where? Chennai. R.K. Narayan, Vishwanath Anand, C.V. Raman, A.R. Rahman, Indra Nooyi, Vijay Amritraj, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Mani Ratnam. These are famous personality from Chennai. Write down in your notebook. famous personality from Chennai. Write them these all names. Now next famous personality from Bengaluru. Look here. Azim Premji, Rahul Dravid, Ashwini Nachappa, Shakuntala Devi and Prakash Padukone. Who are the famous personality from Bengaluru? Azim Premji, Rahul Dravid, Ashwini Nachappa, Shakuntala Devi and Prakash Padukone. These are the famous personality from Bengaluru. Now last one city is the Hyderabad. That is we are revised and already learned it. Famous personality from Hyderabad. Zakir Hussain, Sham Benegal, Pulela Gopichand, VVS Lakshman, Saina Nehwal. These are the famous personality from Hyderabad. Understood, no kids? This time you make a list of famous personalities of city Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Will you do now? Because it is a very useful. If you want to general knowledge, improve your GK. These are the very important. Okay? Location of the cities, famous personality of the cities. Now we are going to see the next point. What? Tourist attraction places. Tourist attraction places of the cities. Okay, we'll come from start only. Tourist attraction city places of the cities of the Delhi. See. Important monuments. In Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan is there, Sansad Bhavan is there and India Gate is there. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India is situated in the New Delhi. It is also one of the most beautiful and well-maintained garden of India, the Mughal Garden. Okay, now we'll see. Sansad Bhavan, otherwise it is called as a parliament. The House of Parliament or the Sansad Bhavan is an important official office of the central government. Okay, now India Gate. This modern monument is located on Rajpath, the royal path that leads to the president residence. An internal flame called the Amara Jawana Jyoti always burns here in memory of thousands of Indian soldiers who have laid down their lives for their countrymen and their beloved motherland. Okay, kids? Now see, next one. Important historical, rich and glorious historical destination of Delhi, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Iron Pillar. Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Iron Pillar. The Red Fort is the one of the most important monument of India's national heritage and was built by Emperor Shah Jahan when it is built in 1648. In 1648, it was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Diwan-e-Khas, Diwan-e-Aam, where the emperor held their meeting with the nobles and public respectively. On every Independence Day, on 15th August, the Prime Minister addressed the nation from the Red Fort. Qutub Minar, named after Qutbuddin Aibak, who built it in 1199. Qutbuddin Aibak, who built it. Qutub Minar, when? In 1199. The Qutub Minar is situated in Mehrauli in Delhi. It is the tallest stone tower minaret in India and is 73 meters high. Now Iron Pillar. This is an ancient monument was built in the 4th century. Iron Pillar, it is the ancient monument was built in 4th century in memory of king of Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II. Okay, now next see tourist delights. Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple, Aksharadhama Temple. This Jantar Mantar was built by Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur. Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur in 18th century. Jantar Mantar is an observatory with a sundials. Lotus Temple, Akshardhama Temple, National Museums, Zoological Park, Gandhi Memorial, Lodhi Garden, Nehru Planetarium, Shankara's International Dolls Museums are the place to visit that make Delhi favorite tourist destination. Understood, no kids? Okay. Now next see important tourist attraction places of Mumbai. Elephant Caves, Marine Drive, Gateway of India, Kanheri Caves, Mahakali Caves and Valley Museums. Historical monuments of Mumbai, Kanheri Caves, Jogeswara Caves, Elephant Caves, Walkeshwara Temple and Banganga Tank Temple, Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Prince of Wales Museums, Nehru Planetariums, Nehru Science Centers, Tara Porewala Aquariums, Hanging Gardens are some popular tourist attractions of Mumbai, are thronged by the both local peoples and tourists alike. Okay? Now next one, famous tourist attraction places of Kolkata. Kolkata has several places of rich cultural value and heritage as well as the tourist attractions. The Indian Museum, the Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetariums, Howrah Bridge, Sundarban National Parks, Botanical Garden, South Park State Cemetery and the Science Cities are some of them. The Sundarban National Park, well known for its rich biodiversity is home to the Royal Bengal tigers. Sundarbans National Park, well known for its rich biodiversity, is home. Sundarban Park is a home to the Royal Bengal tiger. And the Eden Garden is the largest cricket stadium in India. Okay, now next see important buildings in Chennai. Like other state capital, Chennai too has a residence of the chief ministers, governors and other officials. It has important buildings, historical values such as a Madras High Court, college, Presidency College and the Government Museum. Okay? Along with tourist attraction places. Chennai is most known for its marine beach, one of the longest beach in the world. Some tourist attractions include the Aringar Zoological Park, Crocodile Bank, Mahabalipuram Show Temple, Kailasanatha Temple. These are the tourist attraction places of Chennai. Now next one city is Bangalore. Okay, tourist attraction places of Bangalore. Bangalore has many more tourist attraction places. Is often found by tourists from all over the country. Okay, Kabban Park, Government Museum, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Alsuru Lake, Bull Temple, Bannerghatta National Park. These all are tourist attraction places of Bangalore. This is the Bull Temple. Bull Temple has a huge idol of this scared bull Nandi, carved out of a single rock. This one carved out of a single rock. It is a single rock. Okay, and Alsur Lake is the one of the largest. This lake is one of the largest in the city and has many islands in it. Bannerghatta National Park is a national park known for its lion, tiger, safari and its crocodile and snake farms. Also known for its city of place Bangalore. Several beautiful places. The Bangalore place is a major tourist attractions. Okay kids, now see the tourist attraction places of Hyderabad. Golconda Port. The Golconda Port was the capital of the ancient kingdom of Golconda. The port is an engineering marvel known for its acoustics. Understood, my kids? The port is engineering marvel known for its acoustic. If you stand below the entrance dome of the Golconda Port and clap, the sound can heard topmost of the point, a kilometer away. These acoustics were useful for giving the warning signals in case of any attack. Charminar, Qutub Shahi Tomb, Hussain Sagar Lake, Ramosi Film Cities. Adalar Qutub Minar tombs are built Hindus and the Persian stylish Irish architectures. The huge statue of the Gautam Buddha that stand in the middle of the Hussain Sagar Lake is one of the largest statues in the world. Ramosi Film City is the largest integrated film studio in the world. Okay, now Neurozoological Park, Salar Janga Museum are also important tourist attractions of Hyderabad. Understood, the kids? Major cities of India, where are they located? And their famous personality of that cities, tourist places. Okay, these all lessons you read. Get a main points from this one and write a note upon cities of India. Understood, my kids? Thank you.